don't fuck up too much. You could say, I can't tell him more thing. Round home and at the other boy. As one mundo nearly. See better food we go just prepare. Morgan say, I will prepare you table in the presence of your enemy. When Henry had this morning, I go there, go carry Porsche, carry Nganga. Eji umena banama. Eji was moto. I can't reach there and I can't use me for my hand. Right. And the mama know how to prepare soup. The aroma of the soup was just doing me. Biapurulo. But pride Ekweham. Ha! Chai. Hi, Ojinaka, I don't fuck up. Anyway, I'm not like to you want to. Mbesozo Zogaun.
Madam, we don't reach bus stop.
What?
We don't reach bus stop. Now where would they stop with this?
Hell no. Hey, Mr. Man. I can remember vividly that I told you I'm going to Mr. Okoli's Spishendiros Avenue.
Now they tell you now, say, now bus stop with any keke no dey fit pass here. If I pass here now, you task force go hold me and I go pay them money. I better come down and here with our bus stop.
Mr. Man, stop acting civilized. There is no task force in this rigid, undeveloped vicinity. Look, take me to Mr. Okoli's multifarious estate now, okay?
Madam, I say I know they go again. Come down here, make you give me my money, make you go. Here now here will they stop. Every keke man waiting for this village. And here will they stop. If I pass here now, you task force go hold me. I don't know yet they tell you.
In Abumasol. Yes, in Abumasol, my body.
Me they put your saw.
Yes.
Madam. Go give my money. This is not too much now. If I pass here now, I go pay you back for the car for the road and I will come give you
one more vocabulary from your oral dirty latrine mouth.
My mouth don't agree. Madam,
now.
In fact, if you don't give me my money for here, I make another thing go cost am. My mouth don't agree.
Stop burning my soul.
Give my money. Me, boy,
it's okay, I will go.
I'm a be a son.
Yes.
I'm a be a son.
Let me tell you. Excuse me.
Me, boy, son.
Hey,
give me the one where I don't go.
You because that is speech, I'm going to say my.
See, give, madam.
You are a vagabond. Vagabond,
vagabond. Me,
shameless and
you get my money. You get my money. You get my money. Make me bastard.
I deal with you.
Me.
What the heck?
Me.
Excuse me.
Me.
What the hell?
See, if you like, anything you like, do. Give my money, I will catch you again. You get my money.
You're a global being.
Yes.
You're a domestic being.
You're a woman. Go be bested. Go be bested.
You're a basket. Cheap insuanism.
Hey. That money.
This idiot. Telling me rubbish. This primitive
vagabond. That's what you said.
This guy is an archaic cookie.
A cookie.
You have to shift.
Okay.
Stand there, okay? I don't play with my skin. Okay. I don't understand what the heck is happening in this village. I told this man that I am going to Mr. Okoli's multifarious building, and he had the audacity, the impetus to stop me there.
Is it mad? Is it that you not multifarious? Are you sure?
Can you imagine?
Don't worry.
Nonsense.
Okay, my sister. NYC copper. Sorry. Okay, welcome down.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Oh, let me hear. How much is the bill?
Never mind.
Oh.
Never mind.
I
don't deserve a reward. Thank you.
Multifarious.
Please shift back. Okay. So you don't go on myself.
Okay, sorry. Multifarious building. Gaga!
Nonsense! Illiterate! That's what you are!
Nonsense! We are fighting a woman idiot! Multifarious idiot!
one is soft. This one is strong. I need soft. I can bet how much? 200. What put that? Now 2 pieces. With this one 200. Why can't you put more? Put one more. This way for everywhere. Outside people don't carry this. Come here. People see me no. Mama Onyangala here. Mama Wike here. They give 4 with bread 200. Put one more. Put. Tell your mama say na me buy am. You go give me my cracker. Take. One. First your market too. Anybody will look anyhow, no self give am. We won't do Igbo. Le anya na mpra anya onye ụlọ anya achara ashile na anya mmadụ pụọ dị kom ọhịa maka ha ngidekwe ga ha ala gị n'iyi nwedikwe nke ha so amadụ kwa hụ ụmụaji since I just did now, they suffer myself. Why for eat a goosey soup where God prepared for me this morning? I go there, go they preach. Go there, go they preach nonsense. Hey, I can't get a hanaka. You make a magic here. Hey, I be said that I walk. Oh, they may wouldn't walk. Hey,
but you naga. Big open on. Where did you hide that tiger? Where you hide them? Tell me the truth now. I know one story. Where you hide them?
Make it. Where is that cranberry?
I dey perceive the other. I dey hear them. I dey see them. Where you hide them? This I can't hang out of them more.
There's someone in home. Oh, I wish you name again. Yeah, I wish I had him over 20 days. I demand that mega you one head out of home. I heard him you one day she didn't more tape penetrately. It's to lose those sharp, but I have one order. Two be in the bow, Macana. And you bring me on you. In a shark crack. 1 or 2 seconds of the release. And when did you look at the bomb? Yabang wish me bread or wish me darker. Yes, need to bread up. No problem, you can shop up or pop. Oh,
she's too. Shaggy. You hide this sakara somewhere. I know you are stingy from the beginning. You did stingy well. You know they like eat person something. Make I tell you something. I didn't in the mood. I didn't in the spirit to run this early morning. Come on, John, let's go.
Go here. Oh, Jim is eating akara, and I know because smelling everywhere. It will to be the both of us. We'll give you, so you will give us that akara too.
what are you looking?
Looking for the akara.
I'm washing God if they logo. So if they allow you now, you go open my neck, they find bread and akara.
Let's go.
What you know they call me self? You think I'm a glutton master? I am somebody who loves sports. I love sports very well. I'm a sport person. I don't eat anyhow. I'm not like you people. Before I go eat, you go enter noon. Somebody say noon.
Noon.
Good. Not even afternoon. Just the noon. Once it's noon, move the Lipton. Say Lipton.
Lipton.
Good. Just in sip. I don't eat slice of bread. I don't eat full loaf. I wouldn't mean her. I know what sports, madam. Me when I'm from. Forget that way they talk. Me, I know they eat anyhow. But wait, my ask. What do you even need food again? Look at you. We just finished one full wrap of apple. Now you want to eat bread again. If I were you this week as a whole, I will not taste anything again because I mind what I eat.
Go on, ma. I have got the name boss. But I don't want to make you down my spirit this morning. I want jog. I did in the spirit to jog. If you are not jogging, we don't go.
What is they look?
Leave him.
You got hope I walk a look.
Leave him.
I warm up a tango. We get come one akala. Come on, that caratron or to bashipuna boss. And I go finish food for house. One can't carry my car again. Memory When walk and go son me. You want to chop a I want to chop this. You want if they him neck. Where you find out? I watch on your sat about for them go. I know my show.
I forgot what I hang.
Oh, I'm the aku kuaka.
See, I can tell you, we don't run like 6 or 7 posts. I can't notice that I know fit jog or do morning training without you. More will just go together. You know, saying I have any race. I'm not going to fit to run alone.
I know. I say live where sometimes the man I got was live where I will go. I was how come more come gaga. Anyway, nevertheless.
Oh, come on, gaga. You know, I want to name like a brush that Satire motor. Oh, come on, gaga. Let's run.
Move after you.
I do after you.
No, let's run.
Okay. Let's go.
It is not brief.
Is there?
It is brief. From the organizing.
I want to name like a brush that Satire motor.
Wow. Wow. And the bed. Woo. Hey. Hi, dude. Oh.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm good.
Please, can you just permit me to praise God for waiting in create inside you?
Ow.
Everything about you is.
Thank you.
You are beautiful.
Thanks for the compliment.
Chai.
Oh, oh my! Wow, I like this.
Oh,
is this beers?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you look cute.
Thank you. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Chai.
You know, can you help me stroll my carts to my bro's sponsor's house? Do not worry. I'll reimburse you with some currency. Okay? Thank you.
Anyway, because don't be offended. I am English classless. English, what I mean is at all. Everything you talk here, like this they do me. Can you bring it down, if possible? Speak Igbo.
Oh, forgive me, man. No, I forgot that I'm right now in this local arena, and people like you are illiterates. Anyways, what I simply mean is, you should help me carry my bag, in other words, luggage, to my bro's house. Yes.
To carry bag and to brother house.
You understand now?
And they beg me.
Thank you.
See, even if you want me to carry this bag, follow you, enter to the next world, yeah, with the next generation to come. Yeah, here, Obubu.
Oh,
here, Obubu.
I just carried. What
am I here?
Yeah.
I'm not organizing. You talk about some organizing.
From now.
I should back you.
Back me? Like I should. No.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, him no January.
It's okay.
Thank you. Okay, this side up here.
Oh my goodness. Woo! I'm home. Hello. Hello, everybody. Hey, say hi to Felicia. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Woo! Mwah! Mwah! Hey! Wow, happy to be home.
This is your useless boyfriend, eh? I don't know what the problem we get.
Come, dear. Don't try it again. Eh? Don't try it again. Don't call him useless boyfriend. Is he not your friend? Eh? And that your useless IJ. Ijoma. Be careful.
No wahala, say him be my friend. I know deny say Ijoma not be my girlfriend. I agree. But you know say your boyfriend now useless he be. Useless human being. Starts in war like person where they come back from refugee camp. Keep beer like bush fowl.
Eh? Yeah. What is refuge camp?
I'm not saying no be refugee. The place now place where they dump people where they useful again. Your boyfriend not useful.
Bafwe. My Ojim that is very, very, very handsome. Eh? Side beers and everything. He's not as brief as you are with pot tummy that is like a keg of palm wine.
Make I tell you something. If na tallness, if I go tall, if that na that kind tall, make I dare as I did. I like this height. If na that kind tall, make I tell you, that your boyfriend where you call it, they call Ojinaka Abi Oji Meka. See him face, they like this Udemba. This is our village masquerade. What would they use every Xmas?
I like him like that. Leave him for me.
No be you that cry every morning afternoon. I say, no, my boyfriend, you're laughing. This is that. You got die for him. Die, no die. Die life. See you.
Is he your die? Leave me, let me die for him. Is he your die? Don't insult my Ojim again.
I know say they're stupid. I think say your stupidness or your mentality see there. I know say your stupidness don't reach final year. Make I tell you something. This your useless boyfriend now for don't that akrabo him chop now for don't choke him for neck. He go don't die for now. I been if don't fit. Make we go back now go rescue him. If you want follow me, follow me. If you don't want follow me, go. That's right. I don't know what I do. Imagine though, somebody went there behind us.
Papa is very lazy.
Who they tell you say na laziness they cause this? This guy there behind us. Eh? Why he hide? Abi in the disappear? I know if you come here, they wait for a person where they lazy. I know they lazy. I not be lesbian. Let's go.
IJ. Ojuku, why is your love dressed like one local, deeper life woman? Eh? You went like this to go and fetch water. Huh? My love, it's like you both went for morning exercise.
We didn't go for morning exercise. We are fighting. We are fighting each other. Can't you see me blowing her? You see us dressed like you say we like say we go for morning exercise. But why they dress like person where they worship for mountain of fire? It be like say it be one of their prayer warriors.
What is wrong with my dressing?
Nothing is wrong. If your wear canopy or tent.
Don't mind him. Nothing is wrong with him. We are just kidding. He's blind. And by the way, have you seen Ojim?
Ojiya.
Is he missing?
Ojimi is missing. No. You follow us come the run. Later would come go find and we no see him again. If he say we are in the light and dead because he no get strength. That boy a lazy man.
I know you people are joking. Ojinaka can't be missing. Please, I need to start going before my mother.
Let's go, Joe.
Bia. Ojinaka, why are you here smiling to yourself? Are you okay?
Paint now. What is your problem? You didn't go in age down. Do I look as if I'm sick to you?
How can you stay in a broad daylight and you be smelling like Onyara Poroforo? Eh? Hey, Mbechi! One guy you wakwala.
What is it? What is happening?
They put Ojinaka. I have to go where? What happened to you?
What is wrong with you? Brother, what is it now? Brother, what is it now?
Ojinaka, why are you smiling?
Brother, what is it?
If anybody touch me, if any of you dare touch me, if any of you dare touch me, who will tell my papa for me? I will sing go one like it.
We care about you. That's why we are asking you.
I want
that. What is it? Release your hunger on us.
Yes, sit down. Doing nothing.
Brother,
go and marry. We
This wife you
don't want to marry.
If that is not taking, it's because of that Ochamaka that is making him to smile on his own.
Thank you.
Keep smiling for yourself. When you're done smiling, follow my guy.
At least hear from him.
You are hungry.
Leave him, let him answer first. Yes. Allow him to answer.
Answer.
My mother. To say that life, I for just carry OBO be woke. You open yash. Potassium elephant. Come. And you see. Ojinaka jiwakwa uno. Stupid things. Only the can assume get fire. Ngo you don't know so. I should go. Are you
all of us are here. No food in the house. Go and sell your goods now. There is no food in the house. How can you have nice sisters like this and you be here smiling like a mad person? Go and sell things now so you feed us. But I
go and marry. Go and marry.
Brother, you're not getting any younger. Better go and marry. You're not getting any younger. Let me just tell you the truth.
We want a wife in this house.
You be smiling at me.
Chineke na-eli ihe ahụ n'olulu ọdụm ka iwere na-eji mkpọma ha ka m dị ike m. N'olulu ọdụm, enweghị nke a ga-asị. I nwere ike ịyọgodo enyi gị nwoke si ya come and carry for free. No one is even good to that person. Nga ka ha ga-anọ ihe gbuo ka fọtọsi ya. Obinigwe prakwatule o. Obinigwe prakwatule urukwota ka esi eke mmadụ. Family ndị ọdị tụkwakwara ha atụgwa. Enwe 2 boys, enwe 2 girls. Enwe 3 boys, enwe 1 girl. And that girl must be beautiful. Gị were nwa ntakịrị dị ka m nọ. Ha ga m n'ime olulu ọdụm. Inside lions den. I know be say all of them they useful. Somebody where you give me, I can't even dash my friend any. When my friend get quoted the made man for the lalo. Hadianga who trocha. Abakashi nite kangaja kumbakashi ganite. Get so tired, ma. Your mentor, if I were you at this age that say you don't look at yourself, you are not useful. What you should do is to enter street. Go make something out of your life. And you are waiting for me. Mbwari chai ha TV do titicha. Mbe wote gu nuri eni. Ofrong ni gba le kwe monopause le kwana ha kwa kana don. One bent to eshi ni me eshi no nyuku ye koku no nyenta. No nga bakasha. By then you know what's up. I should go and marry. Why I have all so why not? If I could have got them. Now beautiful thought I'm here talking. I am here talking a beautiful thought. If I could leave Makabado can help on you. I will not blame you people. No break when cross nation. Don't why you must say yourself. Everywhere on a good area. How will these thoughts don't come out? How will they come back now, eh?
Sister. Naza, how are you doing?
I'm fine, no. Have you seen Ojim? Because what I'm asking, since we went to do road work together, I didn't see him and I said let me come and check if he's around.
Maybe he got tired and decided to come home to rest. He will still go back to check on his market.
I knew it. And I told my brother, he said it's a lie. And I said I should come and find out myself.
Jonathan is inside, he's resting.
And besides, how are you?
I'm fine, no.
It's obvious, you and it's your style. I don't know how they managed to do this hair that's looking like a top.
I will do it when it's time.
Do you have any dirty clothes? Let me wash it because I'm rushing. Let me just help you and wash it before going.
Wash? No, now. The one that you even washed, I've not even made use of that.
Okay, let me rush here.
Okay.
I will come back and check.
Okay.
Thank you, take care.
Alright, take care of yourself, oh. Chai, wife material.
Hello, pretty. Hi, come and say hi to a handsome uncle. Come and say hi to a handsome uncle. Who don't know? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah. Sorry, what is your name? I want to know the name of this beautiful maiden, this beautiful angel, this beautiful. Are you sure you are from this village?
Yes, I am. My name is Ugochi.
Ugochi? From this village?
Yes.
Wow. Well, actually, I am supposed to be somewhere. Do you understand? I don't know. I don't even understand how this mechanics misbehaves sometimes. If it's in the Johannesburg where I stay, do you know? I came to this place with my Rolls-Royce Phantom 20. In fact, my Land Cruiser 2020 model, padded, leather seat, full option that I bought so much expensive. And the mechanic is telling me that he cannot fix it. I have to call my boy to bring my Lamborghini Ferrari that I bought $18,000 US. 18,000, 15 US dollars. Nego Nigeria is close to 110,000 naira. Yes, you know Jay-Z that used to play Heartland FM. I bought the car for him. You know that guy that sang those share, even if all the day, even if all the now picking love, I already know you get picking love, it's my boy. He used to work in my kitchen. I bought that car 28 million. Even though maybe I'm say a pickup of their Lexus, as in pick up on a Lexus. Okay, have you seen that car?
Yes, I've seen it.
That car I bought for him. If you need money, say I need money. The car will give you money. Hey. That's the car I bought for him. I wanted to come to this village with the car, but as I was about coming out, the car said, "Sir, I cannot go. I have to pack it." Say here, Johannesburg, Limburgas.
A car thought.
Limburgas. I bought that one $17.18 million US. Ego Nigeria. I converted Ego Nigeria 128,000 naira. Namausa. Pretty girl, I can see. Yeah. Wow! Where are you going to?
I want to go to the market.
Market? I have nothing to do here. Because I'm making a Transcorp Hiltons of our intercontinental dish, Gariani. A plate of food there is 187,000 naira. A plate, just fish roll. Fish roll, Coca-Cola Sport, 38,500 naira. Transcorp Intercontinental disposal. That's the place. How much are you going to the market with? You know, see, you people over here, you go to the market. Do you know? Now, let me tell you. When I was with Queens of England, you know that Queens of England is from Obo here in Nigeria? Yes.
Hey.
When I was with her, we don't buy things. We shop. Whatever you want, they'll bring it to your house. Hello. So here, I know you people are suffering. That's why I decided not to. I've been in UK for 28,000 for 28 years.
28,000.
No, no matter use 1,000. 28 years.
Okay, you just came back.
Yes.
Hey.
You have 1,750
naira.
Wow. For what?
I want to buy things you can cook. Soup, stew. I still want to buy apple.
You understand it? Hey, you know what? I'll give you 200,000 naira to next week. Then add 50,000 naira for your miscellaneous expenses for your bag. That's life for you. That's life. I don't know what to say. No. Thank you. I'll give you 200,000 naira. 200,000. Can I count it? Can you have a use?
I don't have that account.
Shit. Wow. Hey! Come on, people together. The beauty of your beauty is making me slippery of the slippies. You know what? Since you don't have a account, right?
Can I go fast and come back?
I'll go with you. Say from the one I speak to, someone has been the creator of the gods beyond of his message. Wow. I'll make the money 300,000. Eh? No. I'll make it 300,000. Let's go! I will take it up. I will take it or automatic.
Oh, good. How are you? I'm
fine.
Yeah, you're fine already. Where did you come back from?
From the market.
Wow. So, who you there with? Who is this?
This is Nkem.
Nke, how are you? This person who you dey with, who you know? I know why I'm asking you this.
You don't know this guy.
Who is it?
Very big rich man.
Rich man?
He's into clearing and forwarding.
Clearing and forwarding? Ah! Who tell you that one? They don't brainwash you saying they do. As at the same, this one will clear you and wash you.
Stop it.
I mean, now, what I tell you? As I look this idiot the way they old man here. This only a money carpenter. What I should have done?
He's a very rich guy.
Forget that you're rich. The way they look this guy, not fake.
This guy is not fake. I said he's into playing at home.
No sir, no one you. Playing at forwarding. I go with us. My man degree. Clearing and forwarding.
This is something I can handle with money.
It's a minor issue.
Is the guy hungry? Can I give him 100,000?
Don't worry.
Well, let's go. I think we have to go to a fast food and have our lunch.
We don't have any fast food here. What we have is buka.
Buka? Is there a name of a person?
Mama and Kechi's buka. That's what we have here.
Let's look for a place we can have cutlery.
Huh?
Cutlery. Is a Spanish. This thing is a mixture of beans and an egg with alcohol.
Cutlery.
With flagell. in case if you purge. It's cut. Just you keep your tongue as if you want to swear. Like
Comfortable.
Cutlery. You will learn it. It's a Spanish this thing.
If that one will be very, very sweet, I'll eat it.
Cutlery coffee. Even there's another one I'll give you. That one is called cutlery COVID.
Hey.
Cutlery COVID. Cutlery COVID.
What is your problem, sir? Huh? Yeah. Why did you just wake me up in the middle of what I was thinking?
I didn't say I get photo I for snap you. Make you see how stupid you are. Just open your mouth. The dream for road. You even look like goats where they just roast. Who are you thinking about? Make you not be saying a woman. I know saying a woman. No be saying make you no be. Now woman they think about. Who be?
You need to see this girl. I don't know how God they create this girl. Create her with different pathology. You need to see the way they create this girl. They create her in a special way where they say she no resemble any other person. A special person. In fact, God sit down very well. Think of how to create her. And God created her in a special way. Different from your Chinazaga and your mama.
Shut up! Missing on. I know what they come to abuse my family. They start my family. Say you see a guy yesterday. She fine. God get chance create her. God no get chance create my mama. And Chinaza. See back I tell you. I know don't disturb my family. Oh. Yeah, no way you just see yesterday. Why come they use them? They abuse my family. This is not this. I know what that from you.
See as they take look you. No see as they take look you. Get Jakashi as the kapan take ranka. Aboga kankata tori anya. Kata hejir. Waiting be insult. Person tell you how you be. You call him insult. Your mother create and well. Yeah, must here do tell.
Like I tell you. So now because of this guy where you just see recently. Now what to make you know they come for money race again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we know see. I think they don't die. Now your house are they go. If I see you here.
Now your burial you they go, not my house.
Now because of him, no overthink, oh. No overthink. No, you no come think overthink. Your brain go just blow. Wah! I don't go there. Go.
Like saying you don't know what I do inside. Make me and you go inside. Go my house. Go reason. Since when we done the reason, what have we been able to reason out? Nah, they go.
Don't overthink. No use thinking. Come on, your brain. You think about woman.
Eh? Children of this day, they don't get common respect. Make that boy come past here. If I no beat and blood will come up from body. You go no say no be. Small advice where I give you, say I see you they fight your sister. You go carry me report to your mama. Imagination, but will come my house, come there for me to speak. We look at Bobo. Oh.
So cool. For my assumption, I think I'm liking this village. This primitive local bomba club. Anyways.
Hello.
Oh! Hello.
Baby.
I'm good.
You remember me?
Of course I do. Let's take some snaps. Let's go. Wow. Say cheese. Wow, this is cute. I like this. So, what's up? I didn't see you the other day to collect money. What happened?
Oh, money, forget it. Just that can't be since that very day where you come out to leave me. I just they think if I close eyes I could see you. If I dey urinate, I go see you. If I dey bath, I take come out cloth, come dey naked. Now you go appear for
Ouch!
Yes.
Jeez!
This so cool.
What for?
Is it the thing I call? What do you think this?
Is it about the money? I think I have some money with me, okay? Let me just give you.
No be money matter. The thing be say, yeah, as barabara for ya wara. The thing don't dey enter another thing. You be like say I want marry you. Yes, I love you as today now. I want come for your house, pay your bride price, pay your dowry, pay everything that is more payable on your head. Carry you put for my house. I'm a mega like you.
Oh my God! Oh my goodness!
Thank you.
What a bold synchronization influence from a primitive local champion. I like your boldness.
Oh, that.
Okay, if I may ask you, what is your appellation nomenclature?
Eso?
I said appellation nomenclature.
I am an Igbo man, and most of us that school within this locality, our English no they pass. This how we me and you they talk now. You know later we are gonna Adam wo nanti. So because buha alamia, name me a broken bottle, so I go understand you more. Capalicious wa.
Did it to the hands. You know what? They say that illiteracy is a noxious vagambulous disease. Right?
I like what I'm kissing.
What I meant was, what is your name?
Chokwe. Hey, babe! Hey, walam ka kyan urawo. So now ham ki to fish English e gra gana school. Gi di hotel e ato fish English ga na ala no kro. Ah he ga rejem straight any he wa ha gum sa ga piam. I ba ga na topic order. Anyway, it is rejere kwa mma. Aha mu wo ojinnaka. Eba na in abbreviation ya we bubi. Abule nishe in abbreviation to my name. E ga kpozim oh jeez. Give me on thing. Oh jeez. That's me I am when one romance ending. This so surplus.
Oh my jeez. Oji what?
Ojinnaka. I am the call one.
Ojinnaka, however you call yourself. What do you do for a living?
What living mo? And one gamble live. Because maybe only all that if you wake up in the morning, you see the road is to God I appreciate. I will tell one American or that or one.
Oh, I see.
I will tell.
Do you have or own an Android?
Thank you.
I mean, do you have tablets? A tablet?
Tablet. Go. Give ya new lie. And when I want a bucket, Mam need your first aid. Oh, who draw me may and what do the tablet each on one none of the Nime come. More one hawk, more wood or more one or wapa. My tablet of different kinds of tablets.
Hey.
Paracetamol, then no where.
Sure.
My papa doll can now show what we show. Tablet.
Handsets. Phone. Handsets. Local man. Handsets.
And we remember. Man, I know you born as I get them before, no be property. Now for this road, because some boys so take machines. They gather me. If you see waiting, they beat me. How would they motive 1 day? Duka. They collect my phone from me. So since then, I became phoneless. But again, my friend, I will give you a number. Now, if you call me, I could go to their house, go answer the call.
Anyways, I wonder what you will use to ride with Felicia.
Hey.
Or do you think I'm one of these local champions you go around with snaking through the bushes? Look and listen clearly. When next you're talking to me, you shift. Because I hate it when a dude like you spits and boil our soul. The reason is because this skin is so expensive. Because I use organic. Okay?
You can't even afford it. I wouldn't want you to blow my soul. Thank you.
Hey, Eliza neme nokwa. Ide ke yigi ke ihe otu. Ura tipa ajo le gbasi amadu na asa. Imo ta ke ni dem me ihe ko me prepush. La so. La so. Etero bo etero. Ame nwetere be. Akofecha ya da na wo. Ahugule mu digu. Na Port Harcourt ejiri heji ga Lagos. Ejiri heji.
They gonna do me as if say I no get grade. What me I never see. Because you carry nyash for back. You think say you have arrived and you are shaking it. Get coffee. See, I must get you. Whether you like it or not, I must get you. If I try you physically and it didn't work, I will find something cover my face. Okay. She didn't want her put a Diego bunker. Over my bunker, I made it get on Yoshi. Yeah, I gotta rise fall on vein. It must rise and walk in Venus. Nonsense. Rapado na haja, much me care. Rapado. You two talk. Why not go talk?
That's a bit tired.
But I mean, this and this one is work.
Oh my. That's a long with that. I don't know. Aku perlu tele.
Adam Daya. Oh my bed. Oh come on, bro.
Okay.
Oh, hey, thanks for saying that.
We are not having better.
Your hair look nice, but come on, this is bullshit.
I told you.
Yeah, but you look beautiful.
I did.
What is this?
It's
Come
popcorn.
on, this is junk.
It's popcorn.
No, it is called popcorn.
Popcorn.
Stop saying trash with your mouth. Say popcorn.
Popcorn.
Yeah, I think I like it. My handsome. Before I forget, I am going around this village for sightseeing. I'm going around this primitive, local, undeveloped, archaic, squandishers, continuous, and bombastical environment. To take some snap. Yeah. I'm going to take some snaps around the town.
Felicia. Supreme Boost Dan.
Bakoto?
Ijaye, you better spring yourself.
No, come on.
And then wear gloves.
Come on, bro. Shut up my ass. Tell it to the hands. I don't understand what you mean by Iwakwoto. Jaye out, jaye in. If I don't jaye out, if I don't jaye in, what else am I doing in this primitive, useless, and very bombastical place? Anyways, if you don't want me to jaye and the water, I better leave this fucking primitive place.
No, it's absolutely. But I don't have. Sister,
Don't even try it next time.
No.
I'm going. Don't let me say rubbish.
Say that one. On a hard jahele, no peteri, I spring you, I spring an, I'll give you one.
Alright, there is no problem. I want to die. If Jaye will make her to stay in this place, let her be Jaye.
My name is Gwen. But
I don't like this thing. If she leave this place, only you will stay in this house.
not Leon, I came to come show we should have Coco and they are dying. They are liking it.
Brother, he's giving us compliment. I'm going out and making it.
Complimenting for my home.
Brother! This is our brother. are not going anywhere. The giant is the problem. But I want to die. You want that to leave? Even that is sitting there, I'm already dying. Everybody can die. And you want that to go back? She's not going anywhere. You better die. Brother, bring that book. No, she said popcorn. Brother, bring that popcorn. Brother, bring that popcorn now.
You get one girl where I see yesterday. Since why I see that girl, my body never sleep. Immediately I see that girl, you come dey hungry me. Marry. Why are you laughing?
Hi,
So they make you laugh.
Nana no say Iberiberism, Iberiberism, Nzuzuism, Junish.
I don't understand.
A girl, as you talk am now. Now yesterday, now be yesterday. You see am. Your body don't do anyhow. The plan of marry a girl where you see yesterday, you don't know her character, you don't know her name, you don't know where she from, whether in a spirit or being a human being. You want marry am. My sister will be telling her say we don't know friend like 3 years now. Never tell her say you love him. She dey complain every time. You never tell her say you want marry him. You don't knock him like 3 years. Not try me, oh.
Hey. Wait, make I ask you. You know how I walk and cut a lambat. Whoa. Akoko ocha mmaku uku. You know they obvious to you say your sister no be wife material.
Hey.
I do until I read them or carry and go church, do am as sermon. Your sister is only good as a friend. Your sister is not a wife material. So immediately I saw wife material. Ilu nwa ya agubam. Ya bu gige banti. Ma akoragi. Ije muna love. So please cool temper.
Ojinaka, let me clear you now. You must marry my sister. Read my lips. Mark my words. You must marry my sister. I'm seeing you and my sister at the altar. You're a married man, no? You must marry my sister. My sister is your wife. Chinaza, where's Ojinaka? 2000 and the ball on the ready. Mark my words. No talk shall not tell you. I don't want you. You must. Not you go. You must.
Iguru maka n'obi. Iguru l'ọnwụ. Ị ga-egwuru monopause ọkwago. Stupid imbecile. Ọwụ sọ chi na-asa. Ọwụ chi na-ekwu. Ma ọwụ chi dogbo. Ọ ga-awụ my wife gafukwe. I go come carry liability. Unu mụtara njọ ahịa dọwa unu ahụ na onye na-ebupụrụ ndị ọ napụrụ onye ọ na-ara ahụ. O bupụga njọ bupụ obu ngwongwo. Unu mụrụ ọdụkwụ. Unu nwaanyị mmiri ihu ka nnabe. Ma ihu ka shakịrị. Alekwe akụkọ agụgụ ngongom. Stupid thing. Come force me make I marry your sister. She go there for your house rotten. I don't use less and finish. I go jump into this person now. Amụrụ nwa kpa ya chi na-aza. Echi chizara ya oke ya lọọ ji chi enwechi ike ịza ya towards my side. Kama chi ga-aza ya, chi akọnyọ ya ka ọkụ. Damn you!
I talk I seen him from far. My man they tell me say na mami water. The other man they whisper to me say no be mami water, na human being. And now why I don't go close, I don't confirm say you be confirm mami water. Tell me the truth. Are you from River Niger, River Benue, or Kenjaba, or Wangele River, or this is our local Musasa? Which river? If you're not a spirit, now talk now. If you want to talk, make I know say na person na stop.
What an impetus.
Hmm?
How dare you? How dare you stop me on this lonely path to say shit with your latrine oral glintus? How dare you?
Did I?
Listen. Excuse me. Do I know you from Adams? What an impetus! How dare you touch me with these gullible leprosy hands of yours? So you won't burn my soul. Why am I even wasting my oral gravity on this nincompoop? Because as far as I know, the money my bro spent on me in uni is far enough to stretch you into a full-grown man. Listen, this should be the first and last time you will stop me on this lonely acronym to talk bullshit from this latrine of yours. Else, I'll mesmerize you. Huh? Huh? Idiots!
Obi trangmini. Obi awala. Obi awala. Obi awala. Obi awala. What is your name? Ikwawaka. I'm emotional Bible. Emotional Bible. It's the Bible. Last room, speaking in tongues. I was marrying you. I was married. Do I know your father? It's a question, me. Waka.
What is it? Why are you sitting down here all alone?
Allow me to cry and cry. Make I go cry with you.
You know I'm your sister. I cannot allow you to sit down here and cry alone. It's okay. Calm down. What is it?
I'm just explaining to you because you're my sister. If you take your two eyes, see this girl. If you take this your two crocodile eyes here, she was coming from far, very, very far. I come to see her. She come to Waka. If you see Pom Pom, hey, you will run again weekend. Oh, don't be this kind of way you carry your own Nash car weekend. You were tired. Oh, let's shake ya. Can I talk to you? It's with me, please. It's with me. Do I know you from Adam? I don't know what to tell. When I'll say, do I know? I know her from Eve. So I tell you now, as your brother, they explain to you on the incident, accident, what happened to me today. You are laughing at me. Are you laughing with me?
Do you know you're a big fool? So all this cry is because of one girl that is giving you grammar that is not even your class. Oh, don't you know she'll have size now?
It is grace.
And besides, where is Ijoma, my friend? Are you planning on leaving her?
If they talk about her, she shouldn't be my class. You don't see her? That Ijoma where you carry, they come now. No try carry sand, put for my garden. That Ijoma where they mention her name. Now my past. Ijoma na my tete. And they pursue my future. And they see that girl my future. No, try carry put for my wine. I tell God, beg you. I tell God.
Now let me warn you. You're not listening carefully. You will never leave Ijoma for that grammar girl.
You dey crazy.
In fact, cha, I don't like her.
If you take your eyes, see this girl where they talk about. If you take your eyes, see him. To God who born me and you, even I God born us, I've been a mama. I tell you, say, see, as well, you go live, you go tell me, say, make I not try, think about Ijoma. You don't even allow Ijoma come close to me or drive close to me again in this life. Just allow me be, make I just day my day. I think this that I take up beg you. And now you don't get your time. I feel like they be witch.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to the
Don't allow Mama see you like that, oh. She's in front of the house, oh. You better come back. Nonsense. You're there crying.
I'm going down here.
You don't know show have size. Nonsense.
Amo, you're calling my name for 2 times now. Don't call my name like that. I know they shout my name. I know they like. No, they shout my name like that. If you want to call me, I dare your back.
If you know why I'm calling you, if you know what I want to tell you, but if you know the good news coming out from my mouth to you, you will rush me and say, shout my name again.
Call my name.
What's this guy's name? This guy from Johannesburg. This one that say, call my name. Call my name. This guy. I say, call my name. Call my name. Say what?
Tell me what you want. Tell me this is my happiness. Don't shout for your body. Tell me. What's happened? Tell me what's happened.
You see, one thing you have to help me do now is you tell me, promise me you keep it as a secret.
How you don't know me? You don't know me again? Since 45 years when you don't know me. I know they keep secrets for you. How they keep them now? Tell me what you want to tell me.
Since what?
45 years now.
Then how old am I? How old am I? Since 45.
Me and you fight Biafra.
Shut up, Yahoo. When we meet, you are not seeing me as one of your ancestors, Adi. Do I look like?
Forget it. You say you tell me where is your move. You just spoil everything.
I pet me.
Now.
See how you are happy.
What a brother for?
See, I can tell you one thing.
Nobody dare talk.
This is the greatest news of this year.
I would love to hear it.
I'm telling you. When people are saying I'm disappointed, I am appointed. The girl one girl, we just did walk out for this village. They pursue me. They tell me, say, you won't make I be in babe. Say, you won't make I be in man. Say, you won't make I. Say, I they talk to you.
I dey hear now. You say one girl, they pursue you. They talk.
Okay, the girl say you won't make I be the bone of his of the bone of his her bone and the flesh of. And they talk to you. I tell you say about one babe. Wait, tell me say she love me. She won't make I be the boyfriend.
Wait, this thing they confused. Is it wait na dream? I mean na reality.
Na reality.
Girl, tell you say love you, and you accept and you agree.
Wait,
as you did.
Where are they? I no get leg. I no get hand.
How girl will just see you? Girl will just see you like this, talk say you like.
No, how are they? I know say you no go happy for this kind of testimony. You no go happy for this kind of thing. As my luck they shine for where
no
guests
they no wahala. For this village, mostly 95% of all the guests when they here, I know them. Which girl? What's the name?
The girl now, her name is the girl her.
What's it be name?
You wait now. They put me pressure for the girl. Her harnesses the girl. Okay, make I tell you. When we they talk, the girl's name to do to happiness. I jump the proto. See, I'm
I understand. Blessed the hungry. Wait, girl when they pursue you, don't know in name. You don't know in name at all. And you talk say girl they pursue you. You don't know in name. Nam. What you go do there? Say, Mofe go hunt that place. I believe say we'll catch antelope. I promise you, the money will take that antelope. I'm going to take back paracetamol for you. Malaria drug, even Ojin Nakabo. You know that guy? What is that about? No problem. I mean, I got your back, yeah. Forget that game where they talk say the girl toast you. Wait, you know toast you now for dream. You are just dreaming. Person no fit see your condition begin toast you. See as you dey now. Put it for your sister as you dey. See where your belly reach. See your head. How you tell your day like this? You tell me say girl, they die for you. Girl, they like you toast you with your condition. That girl they die for you. That dream.
I'm old. Come. You know, now,
Let them in this thing, Moko walk.
you know, Missy, I can't imagine. I've not lied. Okay. Okay, forget to say that Dikeh hates me. I hate her too. I will.
See your condition, see us to me. Dikeh no, don't stay like me, now you go, don't stay like.
Let's be a man. Let's be a man. Be a man.
You are making me nervous. I swear I don't like her. I will stop there follow you. Come on, go hunt you.
Amadi, don't cry, don't cry. Hold yourself.
I hold myself.
So.
Don't tell me sorry. I'm gonna kill you.
Okay, she did not. She has
I
not.
will kill you now, I swear. I'm on there, I will kill you.
She's not in love with me.
Come on, that's the bush.
Alright, she hates me. I hate her too. She disastrous me and I disastrous her.
What is the word in that bush?
I'm a monyong and won't you meet.
Wow. Look who we have here.
Hi.
Pretty Felly. You look so beautiful always. My Felly baby. You're looking so lovely.
Oh my dude. You're welcome.
Thank you, love. Wow. You look so lovely and charming.
Thank you.
I love your outfit.
Thanks. You're welcome, okay?
Thank you, love.
You tried.
Yeah.
You find your way to my house?
Actually, it was not really easy locating this place, but I have to do anything for my Felicita.
Thank you, darling.
That reminds me, I have a gift for you.
Wow.
Hold on. I bought this beautiful bag for you on my way coming here.
Oh my jeez. Hon,
Yeah, babe.
all these magnificent stealing bullies gifts for me?
Oh my God.
Oh.
You kill me with your words.
Oh my
See,
God.
I bought this and I'm ready to do more for you.
You know what? You are the real dude.
Thank you, baby. Why don't you go inside? Change to something very lovely. I want to take you around the town.
Oh, that would be great. But before then, can you give me my cinnamonic nomelic?
Cinnamonic.
I mean, my cinnamonic limenin. In other words, the nylon.
Oh my God, is that what? Cinnamonic namanin.
Yeah.
God, you're good with big grammar.
Thank you. Package it well.
Okay, baby.
Because this is a very special gift.
Yes.
From my military tycoon.